This one's a little bit itchy, but does not have any mange or fleas. So they think it might be a thyroid issue because look at the fur is missing. Yeah, you're kind of furless. Does not affect the attitude though. Come here! Yay! And look at that! Look at that underbite! Look at that! Show that off! Be proud! Yeah! Yes, yes! Okay, we gotta find somebody for you. Because you're a little knucklehead. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Aww. So little, too. You're so little. And you make the funny noises. You make some noises for the camera? No? Hold on. There we go.